PM50CTJ060-3 by uscomponent.com. The PM50CTJ060-3, manufactured by Mitsubishi Electric, is a high-efficiency IGBT module designed for demanding industrial applications such as motor drives, inverters, and power supplies. It features low switching and conduction losses, ensuring superior energy efficiency and optimal system performance. The module's robust design includes advanced thermal management capabilities for reliable operation in harsh conditions. Easy to install and maintain, the PM50CTJ060-3 offers a cost-effective solution for high-power applications. Enhance your industrial operations with Mitsubishi Electric's PM50CTJ060-3 IGBT module for improved efficiency, dependable performance, and enhanced productivity across various industrial sectors. Ready to buy PM50CTJ060-3? Please contact sales@uscomponent.com.